In this video, I am going to show you a best way to make money online by using this free traffic source and specific kind of affiliate offers. So watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any crucial information that I am going to provide you in this video. If you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel, and if you think this video added some value to your life, then please do like this video. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to visit to a site that is called digistore24.com. So this is a affiliate marketplace where you can find several offers, and we need this specific affiliate network to use this strategy that I am going to show you in this video. However, you can also use other affiliate network that has similar type of offer that Digistore24 has, and I am going to show you what type of offer you need for this strategy specifically. If you don't have an account on Digistore, then simply visit to digistore24.com and click on register now and follow everything in a step-by-step process, and you will be able to create your account on 2 to 3 minutes. Once you create your account on Digistore, then simply log into your Digistore account by clicking on here, and you will see somewhat this kind of interface. And once you see this kind of interface, then do not think, just scroll below, okay, and you can see a physical product section at here. Just click on this and just click on skincare or supplements. So these two are the category inside this physical product. So let's click on skincare. Now you'll see lots of offer that are related to skin. Now let's scroll below and find out. Okay, so now here are something that you need to understand. Okay, you need to have a proper idea on what these offers are about. So for example, gem bottle for special hydration. Okay, this offer is a little bit complicated. Okay, directly by seeing you don't understand clearly what kind of offer is this, and you should avoid this kind of offer. Okay, so similarly scroll below and see this is some kind of anti-aging skin cream. So you can promote it by understanding everything by reading their sales page. Okay, now if you notice, all of these offers have one thing in common. If you click on their sales page, then most of these offers have somewhat article type of sales page. Okay, so let's see. So see here, here you can see my story. There are some articles, okay, and we need this kind of article type of sales page, not a video sales letter or not a direct checkout page. Okay, we need this kind of article type of page in order to use this strategy in this way. Similarly, you can see other. So here you can see there is fully vital hair growth system. So let's check out their sales page. So here you can see this is one of the best article that you can use. As you can see, here is a great headline with a hook. But if you see in these other offers, then there are also good headlines, but this seems like product promotion only. But if you see this, then there is a story. After 7 years of struggling with hair loss, I discovered something that filled my scalp with new hairs. How to regrow hair in 60 days without hormones, drugs, or chemicals. So this seems like an interesting topic, like a news article. Okay, this kind of sales page you need, okay, to use this strategy. And here you can see there are lots of what's in this sales page. And if you scroll below, then at the end here you can see you can purchase this product. Now we need this kind of article type of sales page. Once you find out this kind of offer, then simply search on Google Flipboard, and whichever site, this is flipboard.com, this appears at the top of the search result. Just click on it and you'll see this kind of interface. Just click on this sign up and sign up to this site. It is absolutely free to sign up to Flipboard. Now let's see how much traffic this site gets. So as you can see here, it receives like 7.2 million monthly visits. Okay, this site gets 7.2 million traffic, and average visit duration is 2 minutes 14 seconds. And the countries that from where people visit to these sites are United States, Canada, UK. So this can be one of the best traffic source to get sales and conversion in this type of offer. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can promote this offer inside Flipboard. So first thing you need to do is just click on the sign up and create your absolutely free account. Once you create your account, then log into your Flipboard account and you will see somewhat this kind of interface once you log in. And then just click on, okay, you can read each and everything. Okay, here you can see people are publishing lots of article type of things at here, and they get good amount of view from Flipboard. Okay, so now when you create, after you log into Flipboard, just click on this pencil icon and then just click on create magazine, and you can give this magazine name hair care, and we provide you information related to hair products. Okay, you can information related to hair products, or you can write something that is a little bit eye-catching. Okay, and just tick mark this. Okay, public, let everyone see my magazine, and click on save. Once you do this much, then here is the place where you need to paste your affiliate link. So now in order to paste your affiliate link, you can just copy this affiliate link. Okay, this is going to be your specific affiliate link, and paste it at here. And in comment section, what you can do is you can copy these things from your headline and paste it at here, and give a little bit space, and you can also paste these things so that people can read it and they may be interested in getting their hair regrowth, and they will click on this article to read, and just click on flip. After clicking on this flip, your article will be published in Flipboard, and it will look something like this: most recent story in hair care, and this is going to be your article or post. Okay, now this is the post that people are going to see, and after some time this Flipboard may extract image at here, and it will look a bit more nice. Okay, and the image will be pulled out from this site, and as you can see, fully vital hair wellness solution. So this was a fully vital here. Yeah, let me show you. It is fully vital, as you can see here. So in this way you can promote this article type of offers in Flipboard and get good amount of traffic and sales. But again, just don't be like posting one thing only. Okay, find lots of other offers. Go to offer board, search for similar type of offers related to hair care, hair regrowth, or hair nurturing, and find out this kind of sales page where it is written in article format, and keep on posting in Flipboard, and soon you will start to make good amount of money each and every day. So I hope this video added some value to your life, and if it did, then please do like this video, and if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. And if you want to watch more interesting videos related to making money online, then I have handpicked my previous YouTube videos for especially for you, and kept everything in the description of this video. You can check those videos too. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. Take care, have a great life ahead. Bye bye.